Hey guys, this is a 2010 Mazda Biante 8-seater. Very good black color, very shiny. 2010 down 117K. The driveway price is 10,300, includes 3 years warranty. Very clear headlight, like new. Two front are new tires. Very shiny. I-stop version. Very clean car. Keyless entry. Black interior. And both sides are electric door. Very good space. And third row seats. It's big too. It's a full-size people mover, 8-seater. You can fold the third row seats if you don't need. This side are electric too. You can disable the electric function, just use menu. Like if you have kids sit here, you don't want them play around. Very clean in and out. Two smart key. $117K. Reverse camera. Climate control. Very good size. Here the button you can control your electric door. Tidy 2-liter chain-driven engine. Very good size 8-seater people mover.